Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do kind of a quick WIP&Chat just to give just a slight update about, well, pretty much anything that's going on with me and with diamond painting as well. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. So, again, another plot twist. I am working on another square painting. Now, this one is actually another one that I've been taking a bit to work on. It's a diamondartclub painting titled, I forgot where the title is. I am not a craft hoarder. No, really, that's the title of the painting. When I first saw this one on the Diamond Art Club website, I really wanted it, as I did an unboxing for it a couple videos ago of this painting. So I was so excited when I first kit up all the diamonds and I was going to start on it. I'm just so excited to put it on my wall when I have a chance to actually finish on it, but it's been a really slow process. So that's why every time I kept saying I keep practicing on the square painting, it's this one I started off with. So yeah, I'll make sure to put information about this painting as well, just in case you're curious. And it's, I believe it connects with anyone who does diamond painting. I believe that's what this painting is good in connection with. So nothing really to update for myself. Same thing, I'm just trucking along. I got some new neighbors upstairs, so hoping I won't have any issues as I did in my last apartment, but so far it's been pretty okay. And again, I really have to stop calling out my poor neighbors. And it's just been really chill around here, nothing too crazy. I know that there's a hurricane that, as some of y'all might know, I live in Texas, so I know the hurricane hit, I believe, yesterday. So around the area I live, we didn't really get hit to it. It was mostly around the Corpus Christi area and around the coastal area. It's, yeah, that's unfortunately where we kind of got hit the most. So I really hope everyone out there is staying safe and getting the necessary help that they need, especially for this kind of storm that hit. And hopefully it's, you know, hoping everything's all right. Sorry about that. That was a little sad. But yeah, around here, not so much. It's projected to get some rain, but usually we don't usually get hit around storms around here where I live. So it's, yeah, we're just happy we get some rain. So that's why we're just keeping it. And of course, I honestly don't believe we can accurately project how the weather's going to be. So I'm keeping an ear out just in case some of the weather decides to pivot a little bit to my area. So just keeping an eye on that. And but myself and my husband and my cat, we're all right. So it's okay. And yeah, that's all. That's pretty much all I really have. For diamond painting, I've actually have been looking into. I'm thinking of changing on what I've been putting in the channel. I just can't figure out what necessarily, because I've seen a lot of people prefer more of Temu haul videos, which I don't mind. I mean, I love showing those videos so much, so I can show Temu paintings all day, every day, but I'll eventually run out. So that's why I kind of plan out where I'm going to put videos, and to make sure I have enough paintings to put out for videos. So that's why you've probably seen sometimes I plan out when I put those videos out. It's mostly so I can make sure, I have enough paintings to show y'all. Mostly so I have enough paintings to show y'all. And actually, luckily, today Temu sent me a message saying that it was 4 orders that I had placed a couple of weeks ago, that for some reason the packages never moved. They got cleared by customs, and they never got moved to the courier so that they can get sent over to my location. And I kind of didn't notice that because I know, you know, Temu packages take a bit. So that's why I wasn't really, you know, hanging by my mailbox demanding, where are my packages? I know that they take time. So honestly, it kind of slipped my mind. And as I said, since I had so many kind of on reserve so I can be, you know, showing videos, it never clicked in my head, oh yeah, I have orders coming in. So luckily Temu cleared up. I believe they might have worked with the courier and with customs to push the packages through, so it's already on my way. So woo, I should be getting them this week, and I'm so excited because first of all, 2 of the orders I did, they're kind of big orders, but I really love the paintings that I selected, so I cannot wait to get those so I can show them to y'all and actually can start working on them to add to my other pile of currently trying to finish paintings. But it's alright. Even though I know I have so many paintings kitted up and I'm working on so many of them, I always try to, you know, go and touch one every now and then, making sure, you know, update. You know, I'll work on one row or one section, just making sure that the painting isn't forgotten. So, and there's actually a small 2020 that I know I can finish it today. I actually sat down and I kind of forgot what the image was till I started working on it, because I actually had the bottom of it completed, but I still couldn't see too well what it was going to look like in the end. And then when it started coming together, I noticed, oh, they're mountains. So, and it's a tiny little landscape one. So I'm planning to finish that one today. If I do, I'll make sure to put a completion video this week of it. And it's such a little painting. Like I said, it's a 2020, but I really love how it's coming out. It's so pretty, and I love how the little mountains are looking. It's small, but they're still really majestic looking. So I'll make sure to put that video as well. And sorry, I went on a tangent there. I'm trying to figure out, I guess I want to see if there's, I can't really say if there's any kind of different I could put in the channel. As I said, usually I love doing unboxings. I every now and then, I love doing little WIP&Chats, mostly because I want to keep y'all posted on what's going on. Not think, ooh, Rosie just disappeared again. No, I'm here. I learned my lesson from when I stopped kind of not putting videos every day. Ooh, probably like a month and a half ago. And I felt like I disappeared a bit. And my channel, unfortunately, did kind of struggle a bit because I did that. That's how I started learning on how all of the analytics and everything works with YouTube. And it does make a difference. I never thought of that. Sorry if I sound like I'm getting away from the camera. I'm trying to find my straightener. I think I lost it here. Oh, here it is. Sorry about that. And yeah, so I lesson learned. I guess that's the way I can put it. And so that's why I want to make sure I'm always putting videos every day. I always want to keep everyone updated, especially if there's any new diamond paintings I'm receiving or any kind of projects I'm working on. I just want to keep you all updated. If I can every day, I'm really happy about that. So, which is now my issue. What would I want to do next for the channel? So I thought of putting out a poll to see if there's any suggestions, anyone, you know, there's any kind of specific, you know, if there's a couple, if you want to see more Temu videos or more unboxings, because I do have a lot of paintings from licensed companies. I have a lot from diamondartclub because I went a little crazy when it first started getting into the whole diamond painting world. So I still have a lot that I haven't shown y'all. And for Dreamers Design too, actually I know I have to show more paintings from them because I really love their paintings. And I have them in my, I'm going to say reserve. I have them where I have them put away with all my diamond paintings. I know I have to show a couple more of those. A couple of those. Show more. Sorry, I couldn't figure out the wording what I wanted to say. Sorry about that. And yeah, so I'm not too sure. That's the thing I'm not too sure about, because I know my channel doesn't have like a certain style of, oh, Rosy only does budget friendly canvases, or oh, Rosy only shows unboxings of so and so paintings or a style. I really don't. I just want to show paintings. I don't, other than scary paintings, I don't do scary paintings. I don't like them. I don't I don't do the horror scary thing. It's not my cup of tea. It, if you're a fan of it, I mean, good for you. That's your style. It's just I don't do those. As you probably have noticed, a lot of my paintings are real colorful, really a lot of landscapey. Like I don't really have anything that that's kind of horror. So that's just that. I don't do that. They scare me. And I don't like it. I wouldn't want to make a painting of like a horror theme and put up my wall, and it's always freaking me out every time I'm going into the room. So I am not doing that. So that's the only thing I won't put on here, because I don't do those kind of paintings. That's just not my style, and I just don't want to scare myself every time, because I'll forget and I will spook myself all randomly. So yeah, so if y'all have any ideas or any suggestions, y'all think, maybe Rosy should try this, or same thing with companies too. I'm trying to reach out more to budget companies. As I probably said in my video before, I actually have a PR package of a budget-friendly company that's coming in. So I cannot wait to show those paintings for you, because they were so gorgeous when I picked them. So I cannot wait till I get those. But if y'all have any other suggestions, and especially for budget-friendly or just any kind of diamond painting company, just leave me a comment below. And I'll check it out and see if there's anything on there that I would like to purchase, or see if anything I think would be a good fit for the channel. But again, no scary things, okay? I don't do that. And yeah, that's pretty. Oh, actually, I'm kidding up again. I am kidding up another one. I'm doing it off screen because it's a side thing I want to do. So one of the PR packages I unboxed a couple weeks ago from diamondart.uk. I finally found where I stored those paintings, because some of y'all probably don't remember. I just recently moved, so a lot of my paintings are still in boxes. They're still packed up. I put them away in my closet, and I just haven't had a chance to go through and actually organize all my paintings really well again. And I found those two paintings that I received. It's a round and a square. I pulled out the round because the round is actually a large painting. I believe it's a 30-40, I believe. And I'm actually kitting that one up because I figured, oh my goodness, I should have completed the PR paintings just so I can give a review to y'all. And just to, give a shout out to the very kind company that provided them to me to do reviews. So I'm planning to work on those paintings on the side, and I'll give y'all an update on that. But I was just so happy when I found them, because I felt so bad that they were put away in a little box. And I'm going to make sure to, as I said, provide updates. And especially if I can I don't know how soon I can probably complete that one, because it is a big painting. So, but if I can keep working on it, I think I can provide updates more for while I'm working on it. And I am a lot faster on rounds than on squares. Well, maybe, because I actually am noticing that this is actually coming up pretty fast. I actually got better at multi-placing with squares. At first, I was a little nervous about it, but since I was practicing with the other painting that I showed on my last WIP&Chat, excuse me, which is my Bella Art painting, I actually got into the practice of doing multi-placing. Now, the plot twist of this is I can only multi-place with a 3-placer, and that's what this little one is. I have no idea why. When I do rounds, I use a 4, and it's because I love the 4-placer. But whenever I tried using a 4 on here on the squares, for some reason they all ended up real crooked. I don't know why it does that. So I figured, you know what, let me go back to my roots. Let me go back to the 3-placer, because that's originally how I always multi-placed. And I saw that it comes out a lot better on the squares with a 3 than a 4. I have no idea why. And I don't know if you know, if any of y'all have gone through that, because I know squares are a lot more preferred than rounds. This is according to a lot of things I've seen. So any of you, you know, square placers out there kind of want to, you know, just share a bit if that kind of happens to you, or is that just like a Rosie thing? Because I'm still trying to figure out on how all the squares kind of work. But yeah, I don't know why. Just threes work for me on squares. I just can't get the four to work. So I think that's why it takes me a little longer when I multi-place, because it's not one of the larger ones. And I do have larger ones. I have a 12 placer, but I haven't been brave enough to try it with the squares, so I'm okay with the 3 for now. It'll just take me a little bit longer. And yeah, ooh, let me see real quick. Sorry, I'm going to place this because I already had it on the placer. And this, again, my apologies. I did not get to put the picture. Actually, I'll put the picture up. Actually, I think I might have put the picture up yesterday. But if not, I'll double check and place it today. I finished that section I did for the Bella art painting I was working on Saturday. And I had said I was going to put the picture up. But unfortunately, my apologies, I kind of forgot. So if I didn't put it up yesterday, I'll make sure to put it today. But today I will put up the little this little completed section, just so you can see kind of how the painting's coming out, and to see if maybe this little painting is more your style, and you can, you know, check it out. And this one as well, I'll put in the description below information about the painting if it's something that you might be interested, especially, you know, for your craft room, put it on the wall. Let me just check the time real quick. And oh, I've hit the 16-minute mark, so I think this is a good spot to stop. Hi, well, I believe I did a pretty good section. And oh my goodness, I see this is a little crooked, but I'll use my straightener just to fix them a bit. But I am getting there. I'm getting a lot more comfortable with squares, because there's a diamondart painting I have that's a square painting. I really, really want to work on it, but I really didn't want to touch it yet until I knew I kind of certified myself for squares. So again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It really helps out the channel, really helps for it to be out in the algorithm, and it helps me to be able to show all these wonderful paintings to everyone that wants to see. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.